How to fix login error on the Flyin application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem on the application or on the website, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on a control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data to connect to a better network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any kinds of internet issues. However, if you're still facing any kinds of login errors, simply go to your settings, tap on General and tap on iPhone Storage. Here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Flyin application. Tap on Show All and you want to scroll down until you see the app. Here's our Flyin application. Simply tap on it and tap on Offload app. Offload app again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any kinds of login errors. However, if you do face any kinds of errors after this, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.